Hello, you guys. Welcome to our home. Today, I will be showing you how we made a hallway entrance table. If you like to know how, keep watching. So, this is a pallet that we received from our when we received our new patio furnish. Um, so I decided to make my table out of it. Who throw away wood? Okay, first he's taking it apart. So what he's doing now, he's sewing the bottom of the boards for the table. And he's gonna cut 4. I have to get to y'all the size and the height of the table. I'll have that in the description box below. He was going to nail these in, but he decided to use screws because that'll hold up better than if you try to use the nails. Okay, so next he putting the size on the table, and he had to cut out 4 the same size to attach the top to the bottom. He also using screws also. Okay, so now he have flipped it over and he's attaching the other side to the bottom to the top. Okay, so next for stability, he decided to add some more boards on each side of the table. So again, for stability, he decided to put another board in the middle of the table, but he did nail this one because the board was so small in between for a screw. Okay, so this is the final product of putting it all together. I'm just showing you some shots of the front and the back. I think it looked good. He did an awesome job. So what I'm doing now, I'm sanding it. I started to paint it, but I changed my mind, so I'm gonna go ahead and stain it so it can give that real rich look. And I'm using a 100 grit sandpaper. So what I'm doing now, I'm putting my my stain on, and I'm using this Minwax potty shade, and the color is Mahogany Satin, but I will be putting that in my description box. And you can use a brush, or you can use an old towel. I decided just to use an old towel to put mine on. And I try to keep it real light because I really didn't want it to be real dark. So if you want yours real dark, you can come behind it and put another coat on it. But I'm going to try to put like one coat and let it dry. And anytime you're using stain, make sure you outside and wearing some gloves um, for the ventilation, because that stain is so strong. And even let your the piece that you're doing, let it set out in the air before you bring it in your house, because the stain is so strong. Okay, I'm just kind of pouring it in between the wood there, because I wanted to get all the way in between. And also, if you notice the where when it's was shipped in, it got to kind of beat it up, and I kind of like that because it make it look like it's just old, it's been rolled down, and I like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish that, and I'm gonna come back with the final results. So my husband, he decided to put, we had some of this spray left from our other project, and it's like a top coat, and to give it a shine. So he just spraying this on it, just protection. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Um, I will be having a part two. I will be decorating my hallway table. That's gonna be a lot of fun. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button below, and make sure that you hit the bell twice so that you'll get all my notification for all of my upcoming new videos. For now, I want everyone to have a wonderful day. Be safe, be blessed, and I will see you the next time in my next video. I'm going to say bye-bye.